Ready to go to homecoming? Are you excited? You have a date? No. Let's see how Dad feels about this. Dad doesn't look too happy about this.
She wearing that. It's lace.
Oh, those are cute. Here comes the beautiful Mia.
Simply Cheryl, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
Who looks like the mama? Mia, huh?
Me.
I'm in here to get some hygiene stuff, and then while I'm in here, I'm gonna probably pick out some pumpkins. What do you think of a white one this year?
Always want different colors.
I know, because I feel like the orange
Even
is
with
so
the tree,
basic.
she's like, I want a white tree.
I do. White looks better. This year we getting a black tree.
This is mine.
Very cutesy.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
They look rotted. I want a white one. Sometimes Walmart produce be, I don't know. You gotta be real funny with Walmart stuff.
Do people eat pumpkins?
You can make pumpkin pie that is mold. Ew.
Oh, I'm not touching
Do better, Walmart. They're nasty. None of them look good. I'm not getting pumpkins from here because they look nasty. Y'all know what this look like. I've been wanting these baked Cheetos for God knows how long. We're gonna be in here all day, so I'm just gonna sit down. See what's on her head right now. Link is in the description. Stop playing. Get your bonnet. They ran out.
No.
No more.
No, I can't.
Sometimes you just gotta improvise. Don't you use this too to survey?
Never. It's really good. Also, if you put it underneath your arms, it removes odor and it lightens it.
Say NYX or NYX.
I say both.
This is my go-to.
Yeah, it is
I
your
love this
go-to.
one.
This is not gonna work.
Combo, you're using clear lip gloss or like the pink kind of?
Tinted lip gloss on it. Look.
I had that one before.
Wait, how
You
does
turn it, you twist it and it turns up. Let me see. I know I had to come to the hair section, but I just peeped this new brand called Being. Y'all know about Being? Daily Clean Conditioner, Intense Moisture Conditioner, Curl Defining Conditioner, Smoothing Conditioner, and Volumizing Conditioner. My little baby got a cold, so I need to get him right. What is this? Oat and milk. This will be good for Juju?
Yeah, Dr. Taylor's good.
I was looking for the one that has the medicine in it. It comes in a green bottle and it has a vapor body wash. These come in clutch. That one's open, so we're not gonna get that one, but we're gonna get this one. Does it come with the stuff in it? Let me see. Justice has been getting sick like every other week. Honestly, coming home with a stuffy nose. Yesterday he had a fever, coughing. I don't know. I think I'm gonna try this Dayquil. I didn't even know that they made it for kids. He should be good, like new. It's probably like the dupe for the strawberry pound cake.
Oh my god, it smells just like it.
Told you. I love the strawberry pound cake from Bath and Body Works. That's literally the dupe, y'all. Do this one. Warm and welcome.
It smells like men's cologne.
How are you feeling right now? Are you nervous?
No.
She is about to go to homecoming. Ready to go to homecoming? Are you excited? You have a date?
No.
Let's see how Dad feels about this. All right, so we have Dad in the building. How you feeling about your daughter going to her first homecoming?
I'm not ready for this. We here. She don't got a date. We all good. No real stress lines on my face behind that one. Can't you take me?
Did you have to pay for your own ticket?
Could be a chaperone.
There a certain theme or
No, no theme.
just come as you are? Trying out for homecoming queen or are you just
No,
going to the
I'm
party?
just going.
Dad doesn't look too happy about this. She's growing up, guys. A bittersweet moment. All right, so we just pulled up to the mall. We're about to see what we can find in Forever 21. Is that where you want to go first?
Yeah.
You gotta walk on the inside. Never let a man let you walk on the other side. Walking with a man, you never let him walk on that side of you and you this way to the street. Okay?
Why?
You can't do that because it tells you everything that you need to know about a man. That means that he doesn't care about you. That means he's not claiming you.
All right, wish us luck. They're cute.
Juicy couture. Juicy.
That is so cute. Come on. Hopefully we can find you something, but if not, we'll go somewhere else.
I don't like that dress. It's disgusting.
She's so picky, y'all. What type of dress are you looking for? That way it's easier for us to figure it out. You want a black dress, white
Yeah,
dress?
black. But I want a long dress.
Size you in dresses?
You don't know what size your daughter wears?
Isn't she like a 10, 12?
No, children play
And
sizes.
she's a small.
No,
It's a nightgown.
that is not a nightgown.
Nightgown. These are
Nightgown. She wearing that. It's lace. About to go to the mosque and get her the whole sheet. She gonna be out here like this.
The sequins are given. It's super cute.
I don't like that dress.
What's wrong with it, Mia? Just tell me one thing about it you don't like.
Everything.
All the colors.
That looks like a dress that people wear like back in the day.
That's giving too much summer, Dad.
You have a picture? You have an idea?
Oh, I left my phone at home.
That's not gonna help us if you left the inspo pics at home. That's gonna drag. She's short. So you want to try on shoes, and you didn't even get a dress first. You gotta get the dress, then the shoes. You can't walk in those. Those are too grown.
Wait, these are not my size.
Stay still.
Wait, Daddy.
Selena.
Biddy biddy bum bum. They're definitely giving leprechaun. You like those?
Live from the garden.
Put that down.
She can rock this.
Eddie is see-through. You look beautiful. Come here, come here, come here.
You look pretty, baby.
I don't like this dress.
Let me see.
Okay, come on. Okay, draw for mommy. Okay.
Oh, you look beautiful.
Okay, look at that. Okay.
Like this dress.
I like that one. It's really cute. Pull it down some though. Pull it down.
I can't.
Pull it down.
Feel it.
Oh, does it feel? It feels too tight.
Here's the other thing. Hold on.
Oh, these are so pretty. I love this.
What?
Does that feel better?
Feel better?
No, I feel like you need to stand up. What do you think about these? Are these pretty? You don't like these?
I don't like this strap.
What do you think, Dad?
A little risque, a little revealing, but
These are cute in here, but the heels are a little on the high side.
is this not for you?
Spice Girls. Oh, those are
Super Bowl.
cute.
What?
Don't these look like Alexander McQueen's?
Yeah,
Yes, they
but
do.
it says Bernie.
This is some of the inspo, y'all.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put your weight in all of that.
Looks beautiful. I love it.
Only just I like.
I don't even know what made me put this hot ass hoodie on. This morning it was like in the 40s. It was Brick City. So I just kept this on and I keep smelling Shebe. If you see my recent short, I tried a Shebe powder mixture, which is bomb, but the smell just lingers and I wash it out. My hair still smells like this. See what we have to go through to look beautiful. I'm about to go over to get a package. I'm so excited. I'm going to open the package with you guys. I was going to wait, but I'm like, I can't wait. We have 2 days before Mia's homecoming. I'm trying to get the rest of the stuff. The dress is locked down. That was literally the main issue. Just the accessories. So I'm probably going to run to the beauty supply store and we still haven't found shoes. That's gonna be a problem because Mia's foot is wide, but Mia is super picky. She showed me an inspo pic of her hair, super easy. I'm pretty sure I can body that, but I'm grateful because I thought she wanted like to go to the salon and get her hair done, but she already cost me a arm and a leg. I have a sweet tooth. I've been craving something sweet all day, but I'm not talking about like Oreos or Chips Ahoy. I'm talking about some like bakery type of, you know, pastries. One of my vlogs, I tried an insomnia cookie and I wasn't a big fan of it, but everybody be hooked on a Crumbl cookie. I'm trying to do stuff with the kids, fall stuff. Not every day, but throughout this month, just do fall activities, fall things that just reflect fall.
On your lips, you touch, your kiss, you know it's traditional. But your love's too original.
I had enough gas, baby. Be below the red line. Swear I'm gonna get it together for 2025.
Come inside to get your favorite ice cold enjoy scrumptious food, Medieval Jet Pepsi.
Let's open this package. I definitely gotta stop at home and change my clothes. It was freezing this morning when I took Juju to the bus stop. And I thought that it was gonna be, it said that it was only gonna be in the 70s today. So I thought a hoodie would suffice, but it's giving summertime vibes. I keep forgetting I'm in the South. I'm not gonna lie, TikTok got me in a chokehold. This is about the third thing that I got in the last 3 months. So this is my new baby. The reason why I got this is because my Rev Air blow dryer, the one that looks like a vacuum cleaner, it's gone. Like she has no more power. Pretty sure like the motor in it has just ran its course. So this is a necessity. Like it was $6.99 and a lot of girls that have really thick hair, thicker than mine, they say that it blow dries their hair in seconds. It took me a little minute to actually get it because I didn't feel like it was gonna work because my hair is super thick and this type of teeth on a brush, this will match your hair right up. The paddle brush like this, my hair gets knotted. If you guys want to see me do like an actual review, I'll probably do a dedicated video or I'll probably do like a quick short to show you how it works. But don't get it yet. We are going to be trying Crumbl cookie with the crew. So we got 4. I didn't get 6 or 12 because I didn't know I was gonna like it. So what do you guys think?
They
I'm
look
sure.
pretty, but
This one is the, I don't know what the flavors mean. What are the flavors? Which one y'all want to do first?
chocolate chip.
Green apple.
Yeah, we-
Because we all know what chocolate chips is.
No.
No, no, no.
Just do the chocolate chip.
You want to do left or right? All right. So this one is, which one is
The
this?
peanut butter one.
Peanut butter. I'll put the names on the screen because I totally forgot. So I'm just going to break everybody off a piece.
Three.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. That was good.
It's good. I don't like the peanut butter.
Mmm. Mad good.
That's good. That's really good. Even the aftertaste is good.
It doesn't, the chocolate part doesn't taste like cocoa. It's good. You like it? Justin said he likes it.
This smells like
No.
a.
If you had to rate it, what would you rate it?
Two. Because the other part is it's not bad, but the peanut butter is so like strong.
The peanut butter
Yeah.
is messing it up.
The peanut butter makes it taste good. What do you rate it?
You like a strong 6.5.
I give it an 8.5. What do you give it? 16? The best is 10. So what do you give it? What do you rate it, Tink?
6.5.
Okay. So the next one is the caramel apple drizzle or something like that. You guys can see it. Caramel apple something.
Fresh apple on it.
Yeah.
You do?
It has Granny Smith apples on it. I'm gonna give you a big one because we know you like it. Here. Not yet. Not yet.
Wait. Hold it.
Don't eat it yet.
Don't go yet.
Come on,
Okay. Ready? Set. Go. This one is busting. This tastes like an apple pie. You don't like it? You don't like it. 10 out of 10. The cookie's nice and like well done. It's not too crunchy. The caramel is drizzled just right, and the apples are nice and sweet.
I give it like 8.5.
What you say? You said 3?
You said gross.
I rate this at 8. I really like it, but it's the frosting. I don't like too much frosting.
This one is pumpkin chocolate chip.
Yeah.
Pumpkin chocolate chip.
Smells like that candle that we saw when we went.
Here, 'cause I don't like pumpkin. Ready, set, go.
That tastes like brownie.
No, this ain't your champ.
Look, he spit it. I don't like it. We all spit it out.
I just
Disgusting.
put mine out, but I didn't like it.
Nasty? You spit it out? Nasty?
Save the best for last. Chocolate chip. 'Cause I love chocolate chip.
I had that one before.
If you do, you suck.
Right. Ready, set, go. No? You don't like it? I like the chocolate chip, but I don't like the wetness. I don't like when my cookie's not done. Go ahead.
You eating it?
Cookie.
Chocolate chip.
What's your favorite one? This one?
Yeah.
So Justice likes this one, the peanut butter one. This first one, I don't know the name of it. My favorite one is the caramel apple drizzle.
My favorite was the caramel apple.
To be honest, guys, I disagree with everyone. I'm not really a big Crumbl cookie fan. What's it called? The apple pie one, it was really good because the apples were like sweeter.
Okay, so me, you, and Eddie, we all voted caramel drizzle.
That's my second favorite.
And Justice was the peanut butter one. This tastes way better than Insomnia cookie. Insomnia cookie, they were raw in the middle, literally. Yeah. Just got off of work and I stopped at Food Lion to get dinner. We're gonna knock that out early. It's not even 3 o'clock and I'm gonna have it done by 5 o'clock. Around like 5, 6, that's when I start winding down and my energy's completely depleted. I've been up since like 6 o'clock this morning, so the nap is calling my name, but I'm not gonna go to sleep yet because after we cook, because we're gonna cook together, today we're gonna make something different. I have to take Mia out to get her shoes and then we'll be done with this whole homecoming thing because I'm over it at this point. Every day she's telling me she needs something else. person to try the lasagna soup and give her first impressions.
Starving, y'all.
We got garlic bread too, y'all.
Yeah. The camera.
You don't?
No, I'm just kidding. Her face dropped. No, this is actually good. It tastes like how you would have like chili, but like with lasagna.
Yeah.
It literally tastes like chili with lasagna, for real. And it looks bust. I rated it 10.
For real?
These are my favorite types of food. You know, this, chili, nachos, quesadilla. She did her big one.
That's what today is, y'all. The day is finally here. I'm so excited. I think I'm more excited than her. Telling her I was like, she's about to walk in at any minute. So we're gonna give them the before fit. Wait for it. This is the before fit. Okay, wait for it. Okay, guys, are you guys ready to see the reveal? 3, 2. Here comes the beautiful Mia, Miss. Look at her.
It hurts.
You look so beautiful. Wait, okay, let's get into the hair. Turn your head. How beautiful. These are the hair gems. I think I ate it up. You guys saw the inspo. And then we have a satin dress with the one sleeve. Show them the nails. Oh, we have a long, beautiful dress. Not too much, not too much. And then we're gonna get into the shoes. The black accent with the strap. You see the vision. You guys see the vision. It's giving. How do you feel?
Regular.
Do you feel beautiful?
I feel like my regular self.
You do? You don't feel like you look extra, extra beautiful today?
No.
How do you think she looks today, Dad?
Beautiful, but she doesn't want me to say that.
Why don't you like when we compliment you?
Guys, it's cringe.
How is it cringe?
Beautiful, my daughter.
Stop!
We're gonna go out and take some pictures. Now you can see her better. Let me see you. Hey. How you gonna be dancing at the party?
I don't know. It depends what song it is.
There's gonna be boys there?
She's gonna kick the heels.
Wait, you have a little date low key?
No.
Huh?
You got a date?
No, we're walking you in.
I'm chilling for a little.
Yeah, I'm peeping the area. We're not just dropping off.
I'm checking the punch. Because you know these kids, they like to spike the punch.
She don't even know how to twirl, girl.
I have to take a break. Because my ankles hurt and my feet.
You're not used to it?
No. Mom, you know the problem.
I know. You look so beautiful. I can't take it. You ready?
Yeah.
You're not gonna bring a bag?
No.
You have your phone charged?
Yeah. What's that?
Please, my feet hurt.
Look who made it home. How was your night?
It was fun.
What's wrong?
My feet hurt. I just want to take off my shoes, please.
Did you dance?
Yeah.
Did they play good music?
Yeah.
You done with the shoes?
Yes, please take them off.
Help you take them off. Your
Okay.
feet are killing you. Look, they're red too.
They hurt.
So what do you rate the homecoming?
It was a 10.
10 out of 10? What? How do you think Mia looked today, Papa? She looks good. Soak them in a bath. So you're done with shoes for the rest of your life? Huh?
Yes.
Simply Michelle.